Our list with a motorhome that has become a favorite for families across the United States, the Thor motor. Coach 4 wins. This Class C RV is built on the strong and reliable Ford E3 chassis, powered by a V10 engine that gives you enough strength to handle both city driving and long highway trips with ease. In the used market, especially for models from 2018 to 2020, you can find the 4 Winds priced between $40,000 and $48,000, making it a fantastic deal for buyers on a budget. Inside, the motorhome comfortably sleeps up to 6 people, with a cab-over bunk, a convertible dinette, and a rear bedroom. It's an excellent choice for families who love to travel together, or for small groups of friends who want to share the RV lifestyle. One of the best features of the 4 Winds is its slide-out, which creates extra space in the living area when parked. The kitchen is well equipped with a refrigerator, microwave, 3-burner stove, and sink, so you can cook full meals while on the road. The bathroom is compact but functional, with a shower, toilet, and small vanity. Storage space is also well planned, with overhead cabinets, exterior storage compartments, and underbed storage for extra gear. The pros of this motorhome include its spacious layout, family-friendly design, and the availability of spare parts in the U.S., which makes repairs and maintenance much easier. However, there are some trade-offs. At this budget, you'll be looking at used models rather than brand new ones, and fuel consumption is on the higher side, especially compared to smaller Class B camper vans. Still, for those who prioritize comfort and space, the Thor 4 Winds delivers a reliable and enjoyable travel experience. It's especially recommended for families who want the feel of a small home on wheels without breaking the bank. Motorhome on our list is the Winnebago Mini Winnie, a name that carries a strong reputation in the RV industry. Winnebago has been building RVs for decades, and their vehicles are known for their durability, thoughtful layouts, and high resale value. The Mini Winnie is no exception. Typically ranging between 24 and 26 feet in length, this Class C motorhome strikes the perfect balance between being compact enough for easy driving and parking, yet spacious enough for a small family or couple. You can find models from 2017 to 2019 in the $42,000 to $49,000 range, which makes it a top option under $50,000. Inside the Mini Winnie, you'll find sleeping space for up to 5 people, thanks to a cab-over bunk, a convertible dinette, and a cozy rear bed. The interior is designed to maximize comfort and functionality, with a compact but fully equipped kitchen that includes a refrigerator, microwave, stove, and sink. The bathroom, though small, comes with all essentials including a shower and toilet. What sets the Mini Winnie apart from many other RVs is its fuel efficiency. It consumes less gas compared to larger Class C or Class A models, which is a big plus for frequent travelers. Pros of the Mini Winnie include its reliability, strong brand reputation, excellent resale value, and ease of maintenance. It's also easier to drive compared to larger motorhomes, which makes it a great option for beginners. On the downside, its smaller size may feel a bit cramped for bigger families or groups, and the limited interior space means less storage compared to larger RVs. Still, for couples or families with 1 or 2 kids, this motorhome offers just the right balance of comfort and practicality. The Mini Winnie is perfect for those who want a dependable RV for regular weekend trips or cross-country adventures without worrying about high fuel bill. RV life and want something that is both affordable and beginner-friendly? The Coachman Freelander deserves your attention. Available in the used market from 2016 to 2018 models, this motorhome usually falls in the $38,000 to $47,000 price range. Built on a Ford chassis with a V10 engine, it offers reliable performance and smooth driving. Whether you're planning a short camping trip or a full cross-country journey, what makes the Freelander stand out is its focus on comfort, ease of use, and family-friendly features. The interior design of the Freelander is modern and well thought out. It offers sleeping space for up to 6 people, which makes it great for small families, groups of friends, or couples who want extra room. The RV includes a cozy living area, a functional kitchen with all essential appliances, and a compact bathroom with shower and toilet. There's also an entertainment system built into many models, which is perfect for long trips. Storage is another highlight of the Freelander. It comes with overhead cabinets, closets, and external compartments, giving you enough room to carry all your gear. The pros of the Freelander are its affordability, comfortable interiors, and ease of driving. Unlike larger Class A motorhomes, this one is not intimidating to handle, so even new RV owners can drive it confidently. It's also relatively easy to maintain, with plenty of parts and service centers available across the U.S. However, one drawback is that most models under 50,000 will be older and may have higher mileage. Despite that, the Freelander is still a solid choice for those who want to enter the RV lifestyle without spending too much money. If you are a beginner looking for an RV that feels like a small home and doesn't compromise on features, the Coachman Freelander is an excellent option for those who want more space and comfort. The Forest River Sunseeker is one of the best motorhomes you can buy under $50,000. In the used market, models from 2015 to 2018 are commonly available in this price range, and they offer excellent value for families or full-time RV users. The Sunseeker is slightly larger than many other motorhomes on this list and is known for its multiple slide-outs, which dramatically increase interior space when the RV is parked. Inside, the Sunseeker feels like a small apartment on wheels. It typically sleeps 6 to 7 people, making it suitable for large families or groups. The layout usually includes a spacious living room, a fully equipped kitchen with refrigerator, stove, microwave, and sink, and a well-designed bathroom with shower and toilet. The dining area is also comfortable, and when combined with the slide-outs, it gives the motorhome an open, roomy feel. Storage space is abundant, with both interior cabinets and exterior compartments available for all your belongings. The biggest advantage of the Sunseeker is its comfort and space, making it a fantastic option for long-term travel or even full-time living. Its solid construction and quality materials ensure durability, and many owners appreciate its home-like feel. However, this RV does come with some downsides. Being larger, it consumes more fuel than smaller models, and maintenance costs can be higher. It may also be slightly more challenging for beginners to drive due to its size. Still, for those who prioritize living space and comfort above all else, the Sunseeker is a top choice. It is especially recommended for families or travelers who plan to spend extended periods on the road and need an RV that truly feels like a second home. Taking the #1 spot on our list is the Jayco Redhawk, one of the most popular and reliable motorhomes in the under $50,000 category. Built on the Ford E450 chassis, the Redhawk is known for its durability, power, and smooth driving experience. You can usually find models from 2016 to 2019 within this price range, although they are in high demand, so you may need to search carefully. The Jayco Redhawk is a true all-rounder. It offers sleeping space for up to 7 people, making it perfect for families who want comfort and convenience. Inside, you'll find modern interiors with a cozy living area, a full kitchen equipped with refrigerator, stove, microwave, and sink, and a bathroom with shower and toilet. Many models also come with entertainment systems, which are great for long journeys. The layout is practical with plenty of storage options, both inside and outside, so you can carry everything you need for extended travel. The Redhawk's pros are numerous. It has excellent durability, a strong brand reputation, and a high resale value, which means you can sell it later without losing much money. Families especially love this motorhome because of its spacious design and reliability. On the downside, models under $50,000 are often older, and because of their popularity, they may sell quickly in the used market. However, if you manage to find one, you'll be getting a motorhome that balances affordability, comfort, and performance better than almost any other in its class. The Jayco Redhawk is the ultimate choice for those who want a dependable RV that delivers a true home-like experience on the road.